Nobody wants a low credit score. And today I'm going to show you how you can increase your credit score and stop getting rejected. From eligibility checkers, that is. I can't guarantee you won't face rejection in life. None of this is financial advice, and if you do need financial advice, then seek a qualified financial advisor. In order to establish if your credit score has increased, you will first need to know your credit score. First of all, hop onto your laptop, type in Experian, sign up and get a free credit score check. Now we can start with some tips to improve this. The first thing you can do to instantly improve your credit score and chances of getting approved is to make sure that you are on the Electoral Register. If you aren't registered to vote, then this will have a negative impact on your application. By signing up, you give the lender more details about you so you can boost your credit score and application chances instantly. The second thing you can do is to get a mobile phone contract. Getting a mobile phone contract is really another form of credit if you think about it. You are being given something of value with the promise of repaying it over a period of time. So by having a mobile phone contract that you pay every month, you're showing that you can use credit responsibly, which will in turn increase your credit score and improve application chances. However, it does work both ways. This means that missing your monthly phone payment can appear on your credit report and therefore reduces the chances of you getting approved. So only take out a phone contract that you can afford and can pay back on time each month. The next thing you can do is to use a beginner credit card to build your credit score. One of the best things you can do to increase the amount of credit cards that you'd be approved for is to just chill and don't try and walk before you can run. So let's use a little analogy. If you have just graduated from university and you are looking for a job, you aren't going to apply for a senior position within a company. Step aside, Jeffrey. You gotta start at the bottom and work your way up. The same applies for credit cards. So don't expect to start with a credit card with loads of perks, cashback, rewards, etc. So no American Express Black Card for you. Think more a Capital One Credit Builder card. A lot less exciting, but far more effective. You can then use this card to build up your credit score. And hey, maybe in a few years you'll be able to get something a bit more extravagant. Following these tips will boost your credit score very quickly, and if you continue using these tips and use your credit builder card over the next few years, you can build a very nice credit score. If you're looking for what credit card to start with, then check out this video here. I show you two great options.